Hey, this is Matt from Router Protocol, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stake ROUTE-USDC to grab more than 400% APR in a 40-cent range. First, head to our brand new swap page at app.thevoyager.io, hit the settings button and hit the Uni V3 farms. Make sure your wallet's connected. Next, click on Add Liquidity, and it'll take you to a page on Uniswap where you get to pick your tokens, which in this case is already picked for you, ROUTE and USDC. Now this is Uniswap V3, and if you're not familiar with V3, stick around. We are going to explain how we can do this to get 400% plus APR in a 40-cent range. 40-cent range basically means plus 0.2 and minus 0.2 from your current price. Now the current price is 2.16, so the minimum price is minus 0.2 from the current, and the max price should be plus 0.2 from the current price. Now let's provide liquidity like you would in V2. And we probably need to approve both ROUTE and USDC tokens. I'm just going to go ahead and click approve ROUTE to approve the ROUTE tokens. And click continue. And that's approved. And now we are going to approve USDC tokens. Click confirm. Now USDC is approved as well. Now we click on preview. And this is what it's like. They're just confirming before we add liquidity. Go ahead and click add and just approve that transaction. There are just a few more steps to go. Okay, now the transaction is completed. We've successfully added liquidity. We have a position and a liquidity pool. Now you can click on it and they go into much more detail about Uniswap V3 things of your pool. There's still one more step. If you read the guide and it says this is a mandatory step to get the rewards, you have to stake it in router farms. How do we do this? We need to head back to the Voyager interface, which is app.thevoyager.io, back to this place. Hit the refresh button to see what changes have taken place, and we can now click on stake. And now this step is mandatory. If you are not getting any ROUTE rewards, maybe it's because you just added liquidity but you did not stake, so you have to stake it. This step is super important. There you go, we've successfully staked. A few things to note, and we'll refer to the guidelines in the Medium post again, just to make sure we have done all the steps we have staked. And yep, we've done all the 6 steps. We will get rewards accruing, and we can actually exit with our accrued rewards once we unstake from the farm. And here's how we're going to do it. Click on unstake. Now let's just give it some time, and you'll see your rewards accrued. Move to claimable rewards, and you have successfully unstaked. Now we need to remove liquidity. Click into your position and hit remove liquidity. Hit max and then click remove. And we've removed ROUTE-USDC liquidity. Now we just need to claim our rewards by clicking claim. Need help? You still have some questions? Head on to our Discord through this link and ask your question. Beware of the DMs you get. Those are usually scams. We will never DM you. How about you try it for yourself at app.thevoyager.io. See ya!